Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the HexClad Hybrid Non-Stick 6-piece pot set with 2 silicone trivets, the cookware set that combines the best of stainless steel and non-stick in one sleek, powerful design. Known for its laser-etched hex pattern and tri-ply construction, HexClad gives you the searing power of stainless steel and the easy cleanup of non-stick. Whether you're simmering soups, boiling pasta, or crafting sauces, this set is built for performance, durability, and elegance. Hybrid technology with hexagonal design. HexClad's secret lies in its hybrid surface, a precise laser-etched hex pattern that fuses stainless steel and non-stick coatings. This lets you sear like stainless but release food like non-stick, giving you the best of both worlds. It's also metal-utensil safe, so you can cook boldly without worrying about scratches. Tri-ply construction for perfect heat distribution. Each pot is built with a 3-layer construction: stainless steel for structure, an aluminum core for fast, even heat, and the hybrid top for performance. That means no hot spots, no burning, and consistent temperature from edge to edge. Works on All Stovetops Oven Safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you cook on gas, electric, ceramic, or induction, HexClad has you covered. And yes, these pots are oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can brown, braise, and bake without switching cookware. Every pot comes with a vented tempered glass lid that lets you monitor your food while keeping moisture locked in. Stay cool handles. Each pan features ergonomically designed stay cool handles made from stainless steel. These pans are oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you full flexibility: start on the stovetop, finish in the oven. No more burns or mitts while sautéing. They're perfectly balanced for comfort and control, even during long cooking sessions. Includes 2 silicone trivets for heat protection. The set also includes 2 premium silicone trivets, perfect for protecting your counters and tables from hot cookware. They're heat-resistant, flexible, and easy to store, thoughtful accessories for everyday cooking. PFOA-free lifetime durability. HexClad cookware is PFOA-free, ensuring no harmful chemicals touch your food. Built to last a lifetime, each pot is backed by a lifetime warranty, proof that it's made for years of performance and flavor. And that's the HexClad Hybrid Non-Stick 6-piece pot set with 2 silicone trivets, a perfect mix of innovation and craftsmanship. From the hybrid surface that delivers flawless cooking results to the stunning design that elevates your kitchen style, this set is built to last and perform like no other. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.